Hello and welcome to SearchBlox. Today I'll show you synonyms and how to use them to improve your search results. Let's start by going to this developer documentation link. Adding synonyms will improve the search experience provided by SearchBlox. Synonyms provide relevant results even when the exact search term is not available within the pages. Let me show you how it can be done. Click the collection for which you would like to add synonyms. Go to the Synonyms section. Clear everything in the text box and replace it with the required words and their synonyms. For instance, let us give world, global, international as synonyms. Make sure you clear and reindex the collection for the changes to take effect. After clearing and reindexing, once you search for either word, you will see that the results containing the synonyms are shown as well. That's all about synonyms and how you can use them to improve your search results. Thank you for watching.